In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate for you how to embed a Google Slide presentation into a Weebly web page. And in addition to that, I'm just going to show you how you might import a PowerPoint presentation into Google Slides in case you're more comfortable creating your presentations using that tool. So here I am at my Google Drive site online, drive.google.com, and I'm going to click on New, and I'm going to create a new slideshow. I'll do a blank presentation. So here's my blank presentation, and under File, I'm actually going to go to Import Slides, and this is where I'll import the slides from a PowerPoint. So I'll click on the Upload button here in this window, and I'll select a file from my device or my computer. And there I know that I have a PowerPoint right there. This is a presentation I created for a different class than this. I have other classes that I teach as well. And here's my presentation, and I can tell just from the thumbnails that it's a pretty well designed slide, actually. It's a little wordy in some places. So what I do is I actually select the slides I want to import into my Google Slides, and I'm going to actually just pick them all for now. And let me just move this guy up. So I click on Import Slides. And now it imports them into a blank Google slide presentation. And I'm going to just call this one my sample slides for now. And this is where it's located in my Google Drive. It saves automatically your slide presentations. So here's my presentation, and now I want to embed this in a Weebly page. So in order to do that, it's pretty simple. I go under File, I click on File, I go down to Share, and there's a couple of options, and I'm going to go Publish to Web. That's the one that I want. So I click on Publish to Web, and here I get this window up, and I am going to click on the Embed option. And here I have a few choices before I click Publish. You can select the slide size for your website. I'm going to just keep it at medium. And as far as auto advance goes, I wish there was an option that says don't auto advance. I don't want it, but I'm going to click on every minute for the purpose of this presentation. That way, if I'm going to be presenting this, you'll still have the option to pause on slides, but this at least will give me a minute to think about it. And everything else looks fine. I'm just going to click the Publish button, and there I get a window that says, are you sure you want to publish this? I'll say okay. And now I have the actual embed code. So I'm going to copy this code right there. Just copied it. Make sure that I did that. Okay, I've copied that to my clipboard. Now I'm going to go to my Weebly site, and here I am on a course Weebly site. I'm going to go to Pages, and I'm going to create a new one just for this sample. Standard page, sample slides. I'm going to hide it in the navigation because I don't want to see it later. I don't want it to be in the menu. I'm going to click on No Header as always. So here I have my basic slideshow, or I mean my basic Weebly page. I'm going to click on Build, and I am going to again I can title my page. I can put slide sample, whatever you're going to call it. I can stick a little line, a divider under that. There we go. Okay, so now I want to embed my slideshow. So I'm going to scroll down to my embed code element right here, drag it into here, and now it's on my page. I click on that little box. I go to edit the custom HTML. I'm going to paste the code that I had. I'm going to click away from it, and there you're going to see there's my slideshow, and it's all ready to go there. I can just click through it, see it, but that's all I had to do to embed my sample. So hopefully you'll see how simple that is, and how kind of enjoyable it is to be able to match up, what you're doing in another tool to this. By the way, if you make any changes to your slideshow in Google Slides later, you don't have to go and republish it. You don't have to go back and make any changes to that embed code at all. Just change it here and it'll automatically show up embedded with all the changes on your Weebly page. And that is all you have to do.